Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send pictures on character AI. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you need to do is simply go to your website and type in character.ai. and once you have signed in as well, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now for you to send a picture, all you need to do is simply go ahead, choose a character or AI to start texting. Once you have chosen the one, this is how the interface should look like for this particular AI's chat. Now what you're going to do is you're going to tap on this little plus icon, the image, add image icon, tap on it. Now image section will be open. Go ahead, select your particular image and you can tap on the send icon and it will be sent. Once you have done that, you will be able to send the images right away to any chats you would like, and this is the way to do it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.